Story time. So, that engine that I got does not have any of the same mounting points as the Z engine. So now what we're going to do is basically going to have to take the engine out of this Z and go see my engine guy and get it bored out and honed and cleaned up.
In the darkest of days, sometimes we find out who we are. Be the change or hit the bottom, hit it hard. We have a choice, yeah, we can take the power away and turn it into something to believe in. Believe in, it's up to you. It's up to you. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, setting these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier.
If you're gonna buy something, you might as well just pay the initial premium and get it right and know that it's gonna work, instead of hoping that you get it right and paying a little bit less money, and instead you end up doing it twice half the time when you try and take shortcuts like that, and you end up spending more money.
This is it, it's our time to rise up. No one can stop us. Brick by brick we'll break this wall that's closing in on us. In this moment now, we're proud.
Turn right
So,
onto Hoffman Street, then
turning
turn
right.
left onto Windsor Avenue.
Sounds good. Thank you, Becky.
Choir, light it up like a wildfire, setting these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life.
In the meantime, we are going to lift up the back of the car and get the full exhaust off. That way that is out of the way and ready for when we are going to put the engine back in. The Y-pipe will be showing up shortly, which means when we get the whole turbo setup on, we can just put it right in there. So we're getting ready for that since we don't have anything to do with the engine. So let's get to it. Okay, so after taking a look at the exhaust and what we're thinking of taking it out, so this car has been through a New York winter, which means we're gonna have to bring out the big boy tools. There's a little bit of rust, but quite frankly, it doesn't matter because we're not using the exhaust again because turbo life.
No one can do it like you.
One day, I will grab the correct size socket the first time, but today is not that day.
Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. like you.
Alright friends, and this is how you make your Subaru faster. You just put pipes on it. True fact. This video, sponsored to you by PB Blaster, because New York. All the exhaust bolts are out. Now it's just time to get the hangers out of the rubber. So we're gonna get that done, and then after that, the whole exhaust is out of the car. So I'll have to think of new ideas on what to do while waiting for the engine. Oh, ew. Well, here it is. Hunk of junk. Ugh.